Another day, another story. Welcome back to our data analysis tutorial series. In this video, we will be discussing some common techniques for manipulating and transforming data, including filtering, sorting, grouping, and merging. Additionally, we will cover some basic aggregation functions that are commonly used in data analysis, such as sum, count, average, maximum, and minimum. Filtering. Filtering is the process of selecting a subset of data based on specific criteria. For example, if we have a dataset of customer information, we might want to filter the data to only include customers who live in a certain region or who have made a purchase within a certain time period. To filter data in most data analysis tools, we can use a command or function that allows us to specify the criteria we want to use for filtering. Sorting. Sorting involves arranging the data in a specific order, such as alphabetically, numerically, or by date. This can be helpful when we want to quickly identify patterns or trends in the data, or when we want to compare certain values across different rows or columns. In most data analysis tools, we can sort data by clicking on a column header, or using a command or function to specify the sorting order. Grouping. Grouping involves organizing the data into specific groups based on certain characteristics. For example, if we have a dataset of sales transactions, we might want to group the data by product category, or by salesperson to see which products or salespeople are the most successful. In most data analysis tools, we can group data by selecting one or more columns and then applying a group command or function. Merging. Merging involves combining two or more datasets into a single dataset. This can be helpful when we have data from multiple sources or when we want to combine different types of data into a single dataset. In most data analysis tools, we can merge datasets by specifying a common column or key that is used to match the data. Aggregation functions are used to perform calculations on groups of data. Some common aggregation functions include: sum adds up all the values in a group. Count counts the number of rows in a group. Average calculates the average value of a group. Maximum finds the highest value in a group. Minimum finds the lowest value in a group. Aggregation functions can be applied to groups of data that have been created using the grouping techniques we discussed earlier. Example: let's say we have a dataset of customer purchases that includes information about the customer, the purchase date, and the purchase amount. We want to filter the data to only include purchases made in the month of January, sort the data by purchase amount, group the data by customer, and then calculate the total amount spent by each customer in January. To filter the data, we can use a command or function that allows us to select only the rows where the purchase date is in January. To sort the data, we can click on the purchase amount column header to arrange the data in descending order. To group the data, we can select the customer column and apply a group command or function. Finally, to calculate the total amount spent by each customer in January, we can apply the sum aggregation function to the purchase amount column for each customer group. Conclusion. In summary, data manipulation and transformation techniques, such as filtering, sorting, grouping, and merging, along with aggregation functions like sum, count, average, maximum, and minimum, are essential tools for data analysts. By using these techniques, analysts can gain insights into large datasets, identify patterns and trends, and make informed decisions based on the data. Thanks for watching.